Listen, the enemy is not God. The devil is not a creator. The devil is a creation. So the devil has no attributes of God. The devil is not omnipresent. He's not everywhere. The devil is not omnipotent. He has no all power. The devil is not omniscient. He doesn't know everything. So at times the enemy uses information to frustrate believers because they talk recklessly. They talk recklessly. They become victims, as I said last time when I came here. They become victims of Babylonian monitoring spirits. In Isaiah 39 in verse number 1, the Bible says a king in Israel called Hezekiah. The Bible says this man, he became a victim of a Babylonian spirit. He was once sick, he became healed, he recovered, and the Bible says a king from Babylon sent letters and a present to Hezekiah, zawadi na mabarua. Na kuna watu ambao ukitaka aongee tu, wewe nunua, mnunulie kitu, taropokwa haraka. Yeah. Kuku tu na chips bas ni tape recorder, ataropokwa kila kitu. Tell your neighbor, don't be cheap, don't be cheap, don't be cheap. You see, Hezekiah did the mistake of what many of us do. When he was given present and some letters, he became excited. Look at verse 2. He says he began showing this man all the treasures of his house. Hezekiah was pleased with them, showed them the house of his treasure, silver, gold, spices, ointment, armory, all the treasures, everything in his dominion. He opened up to this man. Verse 3. The prophet saw it and he asked Hezekiah, what did these men say? And from where did they come to you? So Hezekiah said they came from a far country, Ngambo, from Babylon. Look at the consequences of reckless speaking and opening up your life. Verse 4 says, the prophet told him, asked him, what have they seen? He said, they have seen everything in my house. Verse 5, look at the judgment. Isaiah said to the king, hear the word of the Lord of hosts, a time is coming. Verse number 6, he says, when all that is in your house and what your fathers have accumulated until today shall be carried away to Babylon, nothing shall be left. You must learn to keep silent when there is need to keep silent. Hebu sema amen. Hii mambo ya ukinunua ploti umeweka kwa mtandao, ploti maneno, pa! Mnunua kiatu, kiatu ndio hiyo, kiatu maneno, pa! Naambia tuko site, kata simu. Wacha nikwambie, wewe na hiyo site yako mtafungiwa hapo. Hebu sema amen. Tell your neighbor, nyamaza, nyamaza, nyamaza. Umeongea sana. Umeongea sana. You don't owe the word explanation.